How did a watermelon grow here?
A little bird flew across the desert, carrying a tiny seed. The bird dropped a watermelon seed onto the hot, dry sand.
Strong winds blew, dark clouds gathered, and rain finally fell. Because of the moisture, the seed cracked open, and a green sprout appeared. Slowly, the plant grew stronger, and a big watermelon grew in the desert.
An old man passed by, cut the watermelon, and smiled with happiness.
Even in the harsh desert, life always finds a way.